The only method to unlock POCO X8 Pro without a screen password is to perform a reset by using the recovery mode. So how we can do this? First of all, you will have to use two buttons combination, power button and the volume up button simultaneously. Click and hold both buttons and wait until the phone turns off. Now release and click and hold both buttons one more time, the power button and the volume up button. And when the POCO logo appears, you have to release that button. You have to only keep holding the volume up button. And now take a look. We are here. We have to swipe by using volume down button to the wipe date. Click on the power key. Scroll to the wipe all date. Click on the power key. Scroll down and click confirm on the power button. Now it's gonna remove everything from your phone, literally everything, and also the screen lock. Now we have to go back to the main menu by clicking on the power button, and we have to just reboot our phone. Select reboot to system, and now it will be turned on with the first setup screen. So now you have to just set up your device. And now if you try to set up your phone, you will get this information, couldn't connect to the internet. So what do you have to do? You have to click OK. And now you have to connect to the Wi-Fi network. That's very important because without this, we will be not able to go forward. So let's connect. Now we have to click on the next button because it will be available right now. And we'll get this information getting your phone ready. Now select for who you're setting up. Select for myself or for your child. And now instead of inputting your password, you have to select use Google account instead. And now you just have to log into the same Google account that you were using previously on this phone.